welcome back to our channel Parentteening. My name is Ashile and this is my wonderful, sweet, amazing, talented, beautiful mom.
Hi everyone, this is Dr. Sharmila.
And before we get started, I just want to say that you look like extra beautiful today.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So what are we going to do today?
Yeah, what are we going to do today?
So today we have something really exciting planned, and today we're going to be talking about what it's like owning a business at 16 and what it's like having a daughter who owns a business at 16. So some of you guys sent in some questions and
So we thought we will have a
question
answer session and understand what it is to actually own a business when you're 16. How did you quit school? Did you stop studying for running the business? How did you manage? Usually children are they find it, oh, look at you. Look at the eyes there. It says a lot. So what happened? How did you manage academics and
Did I manage academics? Okay. So no, I didn't quit studying. I did quit school. Like a lot of you know, I'm homeschooled. But
when you started, you didn't quit.
Yeah, so I started 2 years ago. So I was 14 when I actually started my business. And at that time I was still in school. But here's the thing about owning a business and like being in real life and having real life situations, okay? It makes you so grateful for academics and honestly, obviously when you own a business, it pushes you out of your comfort zone so much. Like I used to hate talking to people on the phone, and obviously when you own a business, you need to make connections. So hey, like I need to talk to people on the phone. So when I'm done with all of that, and I compare that to just studying,
I love it.
like it's so easy. Like, oh, it's just an exam. You just have to memorize some things, and it was just like wow. So it was like I'm working the whole time, and in my free time I was studying.
I love it.
Yeah, so it was really cool.
So, what was your mom's role in it, Ashley?
Okay, I think
you've already spoken about it.
Yeah, but I kind of need to emphasize on your role because I think you've played such a major part in it.
Okay, go ahead.
Yes. So obviously, I was a 14-year-old kid who knew nothing about business. I didn't even know the B of business. But my mom, she's like a business tyrant. If that's the right word to use there. So, ladies and gentlemen, let me just tell you a little bit about my mother, okay? So, my mother is a really smart genius, and I don't know how I'm her daughter. She's basically an MBBS, and then she went and did hospital management. Then she did like an MBA, and I'm pretty sure she did a lot of other things that I can't think of right now. And she runs a very successful business. She runs a social enterprise as well, and she's very inspiring. So obviously, because my mother is who she is, I was able to start the business, and the business is what it is. So she is the co-founder of Parentteening. So it's like our brainchild, and it's something that we're both equally passionate about. And yeah, we put our heart, mind, soul, everything into it, and it's helped us bond together as well. Cause yeah, so my mom plays like a 90% role in this whole thing. She keeps me happy, she keeps me motivated, she keeps me inspired, she keeps me grounded.
Totally.
Yeah.
Thank you. That was very special. Thank you.
Yeah, and she teaches me a lot.
So the point here, parents, I would like to emphasize is, as a full-time working parent, I had to find ways to keep Ashley occupied. That's the truth. But then when I actually saw that she was finding a lot of meaning in parenting and she really wanted to go out there and make a difference in people's lives, I just had to stretch my boundary and support her in her dream.
Yeah.
So while she does say that I have a 90% role, what I would like to give back is I'm playing the role of a gardener, supporting her in her growth. And it's I just let her make decisions no matter what the decision is. Now that you saw the sweet side of it, I want to share this. Did you have conflict with your mother when you were at work, Ashile?
So, ladies and gentlemen,
All the time.
all the time. So here's another fun fact that you guys should probably know about my mother and I. We're polar opposites.
Totally.
We are such different people, and I'm really like surprised, and I'm just like, I wonder sometimes how we're able to like manage like staying together and working together.
So our approach towards the whole concept is very different. We believe in the end goal. We somewhere believe in making a difference in people's lives, and we strongly subscribe to the Million Smiles journey. So we kind of learn to accept the other person as they are.
Last question.
Oh, are we done? Oh. Okay.
Okay.
Last question.
Yeah.
Actually, do you want to go to college?
I feel like we should cross that bridge when it comes. Like, I'm still in 11th grade, and
2 more years. So,
well, 1.5, but okay.
Okay, as of now, good luck with your business.
We also have a TikTok that we started, and we make really cute, cringy videos together. And you should totally check that out. I will put the link in the description. Please subscribe and help us get to 1,000 subscribers, because that will mean a lot to us. Okay.